Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing credentials and the target URL so you can act immediately. Once logged into the T-Link dashboard, create a new short link and enter the destination. This ensures redirects behave correctly. Make sure to add an alias and tracking params now, because changing them after distribution is harder. If you use an API key, copy it into your requests. Otherwise, grant app permissions. This first step sets a predictable redirect and analytics baseline for everything that follows. Next, you configure behavior and security so the link performs as intended under load. Once done, choose 301 for permanent SEO or 302 for temporary testing, and attach UTM tags for analytics. This is why early planning matters. Then enable protections like password or IP restrictions and require 2FA if available. Make a live click from different devices and check response headers to confirm status codes and final destination. If tracking looks off, adjust UTM or redirect settings now. Finally, you deploy the T-Link and monitor results so issues surface quickly. After distribution, schedule posts and generate a QR code where needed. This widens reach without changing the link. Watch analytics for spikes or low conversion and export reports to compare channels. If users report broken redirects, first check DNS propagation and any path rules, then review server and redirect response codes. If needed, swap the target URL or revert alias settings. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.